Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get the Rubik's Cube checkers and back if you want to know how to do this. Even though it looks like it's going down, I'm going up. So what you're want to do is kind of like turn like more than half of it up, like on either side, like it can be like that or that. You can do it down or up. It doesn't matter. Like that. So you want to do that twice in a row, like this. And then once you've done that, there's still some right here, and there's still some right here. And that doesn't really matter. But like, on this side right here, well, in the other case, I'm facing this way. Like, I'm not facing that part, I'm facing this part. So it doesn't really matter. Turn this down or up. Turn this down or up. And then do the same with the other side. Yeah. See? Oh gosh. Oops. Okay. So now you want to get it so it looks like that. But we're not finished. So now what you're wanting to do is kind of like grab any side that looks like this, or this, or this, or this. I'm just going to grab the yellow side.
So do you need change for truck? Sorry.
So now what you're going to do is just do the same with this part. Up once. Oh, yeah, up once. Up twice. You can do this down too. Oh, never mind. So up once and then up twice. I'll show you again. Up once, up twice. Up once, up twice. So now you got it all checkers. How do you get it back? So what you're probably going to do is just grab one side, turn it up twice, and then do it with the other side. Turn it up twice. So you still have a lot of, like, checkers. Now what are you going to do with that? So pick a side that has checkers again. Turn it up once. Turn it up twice. Look at that. Turn it up once. Turn it up twice. Look at that. And look at that. So what do you do when you have this? Kind of like a road. So what you're going to do is just turn this up once and then make this go down. Turn this up once and then make this go down. As you can see, the Rubik's Cube is solved. From checkers and back to checkers and back, whatever. Bye.